Okay, for 16, they want us to write the equation of the line. So remember that y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form for a line, m being the slope, b being the y-intercept. So for a, they give us the slope and they give us the y-intercept, so it's merely just writing it. The slope is -2 and the y-intercept is 7. So there's the equation of the line. For b, they give us the slope and the x-intercept, so not quite as easy, right? So y equals mx plus b, and we're going to put in everything we know. So they give us this point here. This is x, this is y, right? So I have an x, a y, and the slope, so I could solve for b. So let's substitute everything in. Y is 0, m is -3/2, and x is 4 plus b. Okay, so I have 0 equals -3/2 times 4 is -6 plus b. B and 6 look alike, right? So we get 6 equals b. So b equals 6. So now we come back up and we know that the slope is -3/2.